You start the car, turn the key, press the start button, but there is no response from the car. Neither the engine is turning, nor is there any sound. No crank, no start, Assalamualikum said when reading this. But did you know that in 80% of cases this problem is caused by some very simple reasons? In today's video we will discuss no crank, no start, the 5 most common reasons, and you will be able to diagnose it by learning. Let's get started. At the beginning, a small point needs to be clarified. What is the difference between no crank no start and crank no start? Number 1 is crank no start. When you turn the key and the engine keeps turning crank but does not start. Number 2 is no crank no start. When the engine does not turn at all when you turn the key or press the button, it is completely silent or just makes a click sound. Today we are talking about this second problem. 5 most common causes. Cause number 1, weak or dead battery and terminal issues. Battery issues. Just because your car's lights or music system may be on doesn't mean your battery is completely good. It takes a huge amount of current, amperage, to crank the engine. If the battery is low on charge or dead, no crank problems occur. Also, if the battery poles or terminals are corroded or loose, electricity won't reach the starter. If the light turns on when you turn the ignition switch to the on position and turns off when you turn the key, then you know that your car's battery is faulty. If you jump-start the engine with another battery or a jump starter, then change the car's battery. Reason number 2, fuse or relay failure. There is a fuse and a relay on the path of electricity from the battery to the starter motor. If for some reason the starter fuse is blown or the relay is bad, the signal from the ignition does not reach the motor. This is very easy to check and can be solved at very low cost. What to check? Locate the vehicle's fuse and relay box. Check the owner's manual for the starter fuse and starter relay. If a fuse is blown, don't simply replace it repeatedly. A blown fuse may indicate an underlying electrical problem. And if there is a problem with the starter relay, you can open the starter relay and swap it with another relay to check. Cause number 3, starter motor or solenoid failure. If you hear only a single click from the engine when you turn the key, there is a good chance that your starter motor or solenoid is failing. When the starter motor gets old, the carbon brushes or motor inside it can jam, making it unable to turn the engine over. Cause number 4, park and neutral safety switch. Automatic transmission vehicles have a park and neutral safety switch, also known as a transmission range sensor on some vehicles. Its job is to prevent the engine from starting when the transmission is in gear. If this switch is faulty or misadjusted, the vehicle may not crank even though everything else is working. How to do a quick test. Try to start the car with your foot firmly on the brake. Put the car in park mode. If the car engine does not start in park mode, try neutral mode. If the car starts in neutral mode but not in park mode, the park and neutral switch or transmission range circuit may need further testing. Reason number 5, immobilizer and key fob problems. In today's push-start or smart key-operated cars, if the key battery goes down, the sensor cannot recognize the car, the immobilizer or key icon on the dashboard keeps blinking. This problem can also occur if the ignition switch is broken from the inside. Apart from that, your car may have no cranking problem such as, the problem may be in the ignition switch. The ignition switch sends the start signal to the car's starting circuit. If that signal does not reach the starter relay or control module, the engine will not start. Damaged ground or power cable. Engine mechanically locked. Problem with the engine ECU. No crank no start. ECM or BCM malfunction in your car. Send out wrong information. Lose communication completely. Hope this information is useful for you. If you like the video, then be sure to like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more such useful tips related to cars. Have you ever had this problem in your car? How did you solve it? Let us know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, safe driving.